Looking for the best Powerline adapter to boost your home internet? Stick around, we've ranked the top options from worst to best so you know exactly where to spend your money. Kicking off our list at the bottom spot is the budget-friendly Powerline kit from TRENDnet. It's not the flashiest or the fastest, but it's got just enough juice for basic internet use, and it comes with 2 adapters out of the box. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of Powerline networking, this could be a decent starting point. The kit offers speeds up to 500 megabytes per second and includes a pass-through power outlet, so you won't lose a plug when you set it up. Installation is as easy as plug and play, with a handy sync button to pair devices. Plus, it supports up to 8 adapters total, which is rare at this price point. But here's the catch. It only supports 10 100 megabytes per second Ethernet ports, which is a serious limitation today. Real-world performance isn't stellar either, especially if your home has older or inconsistent wiring. In short, it'll work, but don't expect miracles. If you just need to get a smart TV or older desktop online without breaking the bank, this kit might do the trick. But if you're looking for speed or future-proofing, keep watching, there's much better stuff ahead. And by the way, if you want to check out any of these products at the best price, I've left links to all of them in the description below. Next up is the NexusLink 1200 kit, a solid step up in performance, but still not quite top tier. It brings g.hn technology into the mix, which is a newer standard that can offer better efficiency than older home plug models. This one's built for folks who want more than just basic internet without going full high-end. The standout feature here is the gigabit Ethernet port, which means you're no longer capped at 100 megabytes per second like the TRENDnet. It's also compact and easy to install, literally plug it in and go. Plus, g.hn adapters tend to play nicer with electrical noise and give you more consistent speeds in busy households. However, the kit only includes 1 port per adapter, so if you've got multiple devices to hardwire, you'll need a switch. Also, the pass-through outlet isn't guaranteed in every version, which might be a deal breaker if wall space is tight. If you want decent performance without going all in on price, this is a great middle ground, especially for streaming, light gaming, or work from home setups. And hey, if this video is helping you out, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns just like this. In third place, we've got the high-speed powerhouse from Zyxel, the PLA6456. This one uses g.hn Wave 2, one of the fastest standards available for Powerline adapters today. It's made for people who want to squeeze the most out of their network without having to rewire the whole house. With up to 2400 megabytes per second of theoretical speed and 128-bit AES encryption, this adapter delivers excellent potential throughput. It's a secure, modern solution that works well in large homes, and it's also expandable up to 14 adapters for full home coverage. It's ideal for streaming 4K content or reducing lag in online games. The downside, it only has 1 Ethernet port, and despite the high-speed claims, you're still limited by the single gigabit connection. Also, it's a bit bulky, which might block adjacent wall outlets depending on your layout. If you want bleeding-edge tech and don't mind the size or port limitations, this is a serious contender, especially if your home has modern electrical wiring to take full advantage of those speeds. Sliding into second place is the Netgear 2000 kit, and this one's all about balanced power. With dual gigabit Ethernet ports and home plug AV2 tech, it gives you strong, stable speeds with a reliable feature set that doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. What makes it great is the 2 ports per unit, letting you connect a PC and a console, or a TV and a streaming box, without needing an extra hub. The pass-through outlet is noise filtered too, which helps keep your network performance clean and consistent. It does have a couple of drawbacks though. It's a little chunky and might block nearby sockets. Plus, while the warranty is a bit short, the performance and usability make up for it in most cases. If you want plug-and-play ease with enough bandwidth for a media center or gaming rig, this is a fantastic pick, especially for homes with average to good wiring. And finally, taking the top spot is the TP-Link AV2000 kit. This is the one you want if you're after the best all-around performance and features without paying enterprise-level prices. It's fast, reliable, and just plain works. Like the Netgear, it comes with dual gigabit ports and home plug AV2 technology, but it also throws in MIMO and beamforming. That means better stability, faster speeds, and wider coverage, even in homes with tough wiring layouts. TP-Link really checked all the right boxes here. The only real nitpick is the size. It's not exactly discreet, and it might hog wall space, but honestly that's a small trade-off for what it delivers. Whether you're gaming, streaming 4K, or just need a rock-solid connection for working from home, this kit has your back. It's the best Powerline adapter you can get right now without going overboard. That wraps up our Powerline adapter ranking. If you're ready to level up your home internet, check out the best products using the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep dive reviews every week.